Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what we have today, well, we got another Honda Ridgeline. That's right, we're so well known for working on Honda Ridgelines, and we got one here where just did a Revolver X4S. But before we get started, hit that like button, get it out of the way. You know you're gonna like the video, so hit the like now. Just take care of it, subscribe to the channel. And by the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. Now, you're welcome to ask us online, or if you want to answer right away, just give us a call at the store. Now, the product I'm going to show you, I'll put a link of it at the bottom of this YouTube video. This way you can check on, see what the price is and all the information if you want to wait and so forth. Now, hey, by the way, come over here, Richard.
Yes, sir.
This is Richard. By the way, he's the owner of the Honda. Now, this is the second vehicle we have done for him. And Richard, man, he's such a great guy. He drove 4 hours to get here.
4 hours.
Thank you, by the way. Appreciate that. And you know, he loves this Honda. This is a second Ridgeline, right?
Yes, sir.
So we did this time. The first time we did what the folding cover, right?
Yes, 4 years ago.
Okay.
Yes.
And now today we did a rolling cover. So, but thank you very much, Rich. I appreciate it.
This guy is wonderful. Does a great job. Feels like you know, Hollywood right here in Florida. So I really appreciate it.
Thanks, Rich. I appreciate it. Well, you guys ready? Let's come on over to the Honda here. Let's take a good look here. Now, before we get started, go ahead and swing around here so you can see everything. One thing I want you to notice is how low profile this cover is. Now, the rubber seal does flatten out. If you notice, it's a little wobbly, but that just came out of the box. Mother Nature's son will flatten this all out for you. One thing I want you to take a good look is how nice and clean this looks. A lot of people like their Revolvers. You don't have any divides, it's one piece. Now, this is a metal cover. So it's aluminum with a marine grade vinyl on top here. It does have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, the nice thing about having us install this, we're able to double the warranty through the Real Truck program. We're an authorized Real Truck dealer. So that 5-year warranty is now going to be, you ready? 10 years, very good warranty. Again, take a good look and see how everything matches. Now, I know Honda has a cover they sell, and the only problem with the cover they sell, it looks like a big brick on top. It's not flush, it doesn't sit in the bed, it sits on the bed. It just looks like someone just slapped something on top, and it doesn't open all the way, only opens 2/3. Where this one, again, have you 100% access to the bed here. And let's go ahead and open this up. It should be open, but sometimes it automatically locks. So I'm gonna show you a couple things. First of all, as you know, these have the multi-function tailgate. So reach under here, because not a lot of people ask me, hey, does both tailgates work? And as you can see, it does, no problem whatsoever. So I want to show you that, and then we're going to show you a few more things here. Let's go back to opening up here. Now, you do have a left and right release mechanism. So wherever you're at, you can open it. So if you're driving on the side of the road and you got the traffic on the driver's side, you might want to go to the passenger side to open it. Now, I want you to take a really good look on how big this seal is here. Now, this does a very good job of keeping the water out, because this part here will sit right on the tailgate, and this will kiss up to the tailgate. Now, sometimes it's a little harder to close because you're compressing this a little bit, but it's going to do a good job and keep the Mother Nature out. Now, I always tell you the pros and cons of anything. On the earlier models, these little end caps were coming off. Now, they have redesigned this. This is the new version, by the way. If you notice, they're now, instead of the clips, they're screwing them in there, and they're also gluing them in there. So that solved the problem. So if you heard about any of those issues, they did have some issues in the first year, I think, and then they redesigned it. This is the new model, so that's good to know. Now, as you roll this back, I want you to notice this part here, this is to protect your hand, this little section right here, because this could get hot. So if it's been sitting on the sun, you put your hand, even right now, it's a little hot. This right here, no problem whatsoever. This is the part you're going to be opening and closing. Now, what I do like about this cover is how easy it is to open all the way up. Now, as you can see, when I bring it all the way here, I am not blocking the rear window. So you can, if you have this open, you can still see at the back. So if you have items back here, you can still see them. Now, some trucks have cameras up here in the third brake light. This will not block your camera. So it's a good, for visibility, this is a great cover. Now, this right here is your little strap, and this is gonna basically, I wanna roll this forward so you see it a little bit better. So that's good. It's a real simple setup, but it works very well. This goes right into there, you turn it, and then you just kind of pull this, and that's how you lock it in place. Now, if you're gonna drive down the road, you always want to secure it. I've seen people not secure it, and as you're driving, it'll roll back out on you, so make sure you always secure it. Now, if you notice, I pushed it down a little bit to unlock it, so you have to make it that way here. Now, let's take a look here. As you can see, you got your aluminum here. You got full access to the bed. Now, I'm going to show you another thing here, because a lot of people are going to ask. Honda has a lot of features. So let's go in here, and I'm going to open this up for you. You got, now this has got the bed trunk. Now, only Honda, as far as I know, is the only one doing this. By the way, great feature, Honda. Good job. I like this a lot. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, as you can see, it does hit the side here. By the way, all the covers do. But I have no problem whatsoever accessing anything inside there. As you can see, I can get in here and I can do whatever I need. So the cover will not interfere with your trunk in the bed. So I like to show you that all the features that make the Honda special, this cover will work with it. So I like that a whole lot. So let's go ahead and close it up. Now, I actually think Honda makes a great truck. I actually, my stepson has one of these and he loves it. And I want you, by the way, when you go to close this, my recommendation is put hands on both sides. If you just do one side, sometimes the other side will not lock. So if you do it this way, it makes sure it locks. Now, these are very, very tight fit. So if you're pushing one side over time, it'll push the cover over that way or this way. By doing it this way, it'll always stay nice and straight. Now, if you like this product, and you say, Chris, I want it. Everything you told me about is perfect. This fits my need. How do I get it? Well, one thing is come to the store. Let us put it on for you. Let us double the warranty. Make it a 10-year warranty, and we can put a 1 year on the labor as well. Or we'll ship it anywhere in the country. So if you don't live here in Florida, not a problem. By the way, Texas, California, I'm sending you guys my props because you guys have been buying a ton of stuff from us, and we really appreciate it. So again, you don't live in Florida, not a problem. We'll ship it to you. Now, if you get it here and you're installing it, you have questions, you can call us. We do have, a lot of times the directions are good, but they leave out maybe a couple things that you need to know. Like, for example, how we seal at the front. We do a few extras to help keep water out of the bed. And there's things we can help you with as well. So buy from us, you get our expertise, especially on the phone. And what's nice about calling us, we actually pick up the phone. I know sometimes you call up maybe Real Talk or any, they might not pick up the phone, or they won't get back to you 3 or 4 hours, and you have a question right there you need to answer. You're installing it, it's a Saturday, you need to ask some questions. We can help you out. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the 2025 Honda Ridgeline with the Bak Revolver X4S. And don't forget, I said it before, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thank you.